Welcome to our Financial Secrets Quiz, where we unravel the mysteries of wealth management and investment strategies. Get ready to challenge what you know and discover the keys to financial freedom. In personal finance, achieving financial success requires spending more than you earn, investing only in gold, balancing earning and saving, avoiding stock market investments. Balancing earning and saving. Who is known as the father of modern economics? Adam Smith, Milton Friedman, John Maynard Keynes, David Ricardo. It's Adam Smith. What was the largest denomination of US currency ever printed for public use? $1 million, $10,000, $100,000, $500. A $100,000 bill. The rule of 72 is a simple trick to figure out how long it takes to double your money. Just divide 72 by your investment's yearly return rate and you'll get an estimate of the years needed to double it. Which country experienced hyperinflation leading to the printing of a $100 trillion note? Venezuela, Zimbabwe, Germany, or Hungary? Zimbabwe. What strategy is most effective in minimizing the impact of fees on investment returns? Active trading, high fee funds, low cost index funds, market predictions. Purchasing low cost index funds. Warren Buffett, a legendary investor, suggests that most people should invest in low-cost index funds to grow their money with the economy without the high fees or the guesswork of beating the market. What percentage of actively managed funds fail to outperform their benchmark over time? 25%, 50%, 75%, 90%. More than 90%. Which company was the first to reach a market cap of $1 trillion? Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Alphabet. Apple. What's the name of the index that measures the stock performance of 30 large companies listed on stock exchanges in the US? Dow Jones, Nasdaq, S&P 500, Russell 2000. Dow Jones. Who famously broke the Bank of England by short selling? Warren Buffett, George Soros, Elon Musk, Benjamin Graham. George Soros. What is the major advantage of index funds compared to actively managed funds? Higher fees, more personalized, lower costs, active stock selection. Lower cost. What defines a cash flowing asset? It depreciates over time, it generates constant income streams, a high risk investment, it's bought with borrowed money. An asset that generates constant income streams. The first stock exchange in the world was established in which city? New York, London, Amsterdam, Rome. Amsterdam. Which Asian country's stock market is referred to as the Nikkei? Japan, China, South Korea, Singapore. It's Japan. What phenomenon described a rapid increase in asset prices followed by a collapse? Economic spring, the balloon effect, a bubble, market volatility. A bubble. The difference between an asset and a liability is that an asset loses value over time, puts money in your pocket, always involves real estate, costs money to maintain. Puts money in your pocket. Which entity issues Japanese government bonds? Bank of Japan, Tokyo Stock Exchange, Ministry of Finance of Japan, Japan National Bank. Ministry of Finance of Japan. What term describes the total value of all goods and services provided by a country in a year? GNP, GDP, National Wealth Measure, Economic Output Total. It's the GDP. The invisible hand theory, which describes the self-regulating behavior of the marketplace, is attributed to which economist? Adam Smith, John Maynard Keynes, Milton Friedman, David Ricardo. Adam Smith. What does compounding achieve in long-term investments? Maximizing wealth, minimal fee impact, earnings on earnings lead to exponential growth, need for active trading. Exponential growth. Which cryptocurrency was first introduced in 2009? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple. It's of course Bitcoin. Quantitative easing is a monetary policy used by central banks to do what? Increase the money supply, strengthen the currency, stimulate economic growth, decrease inflation. Increase the money supply. What is a bear market? A market condition where prices are falling, a market dominated by aggressive traders, a seasonal market that only opens in winter, a market in economic recession. A market where the prices are falling. Which of the following is not a stock exchange? NYSE, Nasdaq, LSE, Nikkei. It's Nikkei. In finance, what does ROI stand for? Range of interest, return on investment, rate of interest, revenue of investment. Return on investment. Who was the first woman to chair the Federal Reserve? Elizabeth Warren, Janet Yellen, Christine Lagarde, Angela Merkel. Janet Yellen. What financial scandal was Bernie Madoff known for? Inside trading, Ponzi scheme, embezzlement, fraudulent trading. Ponzi scheme. The term blue chip refers to what in the stock market? Large reputable companies, high risk, high reward, new market stocks, consistent dividends. Large reputable companies. Most funds managed by experts don't beat the market over time, showing how hard it is to pick winning stocks or time the market right. Why choose fee-only over commission-based advisors? Higher returns guaranteed, unbiased, no product sales, free services, they always pick winning stocks. Unbiased. In economics, what is inflation? Economy expanding, money value drops, supply goes up, prices rise, purchasing power fails, spending increases. Money value drops and supply goes up. What historic event is known as the first documented financial bubble? The gold rush, the Bitcoin boom, tulip mania, the South Sea bubble. Tulip mania. Which country famously decided to default on its national debt in 2001, leading to a massive economic crisis? Greece, Argentina, Russia, Italy. Argentina. What is the purpose of the World Bank? To promote international trade, to provide financial assistance to developing countries, to oversee global monetary policy, to support economic development projects. To provide financial assistance. Dividing investments among different kinds of assets to reduce risk is known as diversification, asset allocation, economic balancing, portfolio optimization. Asset allocation. Very few people understand basic financial concepts like inflation, compound interest, and the diversification of investments, but knowing them can greatly improve making informed financial decisions. Who was credited by inventing the concept of the credit card in 1949? John Biggins, Frank McNamara, Edward Bellamy, Alfred Nobel. It was Frank McNamara. What term is used to describe the scenario where the tech stocks lead a market rally? Digital dominance, cyber rally, tech-led bull market, dot-com bubble. It was Frank McNamara. Compound interest, once called the world's eighth wonder by Albert Einstein, helps your money grow over time. Even small amounts can turn into wealth as your earnings start earning too. Great job at completing our Financial Secrets quiz. Keep these insights in mind as you navigate your financial future, and remember to subscribe for more content that guides you towards financial success.